Hey, Mike here from Bear Drive of North Carolina. I'm hoping everyone's having a great snow day today. Um, as you guys probably heard, the snow has been going across all over North Carolina, and I've seen it in Arkansas yesterday. I've heard on social media, and here in North Carolina, we're getting our fair share today. Um, And I just want to say to you guys out there to be safe. If you have to be on the roads, I am just quickly making this quick video for you guys to show you how it is, and then I'm gonna go straight home. But it's pretty to look at. But by the time I upload this video, I'm sure it's gonna be treacherous out there on the roads. But even like now, it's starting. The roads starting to look a little slushy. So I just want you guys to be safe out there. If you have to go out, make sure you don't speed like this guy's coming up at me. But make sure you're doing the appropriate speed limit, because I don't want you to slide out and hit something or go into somebody else. I just want you all to be safe. As you can see, this snow is coming at me pretty fast. It's beautiful to look at, I have to say. Normally we don't get a lot of snow in North Carolina. It's more of ice, which I wouldn't be surprised, which this will eventually turn into, because it's currently 24 degrees outside right now, and once it starts getting dark, it's going to get pretty dangerous. Watch out for things like what I'm about to approach right now, like bridges. Bridges, they freeze first. As you can tell, this one right in front of me is already frozen, so you can slowly go across this. Make sure you're obeying the stop signs and everything like that. You don't want car accidents. Make sure you have your headlights on. Again, I'm not sure if I said it already, but make sure you guys have your headlights on, and enjoy this snow day. Schools are off. I'm sure there are many businesses that are going home today. If you do not have to go out, I recommend you do not. I'm probably going to upload this video around 4 o'clock, so again, this is going to probably look a whole lot worse than it is right now. But enjoy the snow day. It's probably I think it's about to end sometime around 11:30 tonight. Wake County, we're supposed to get between, it depends what part of Wake County you're in, between 1 and 3 and 2 and 3 inches. On average. So enjoy this, enjoy the weather, drive safe, and enjoy the time with your loved ones. And thank you for the people who are subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. For some reason, my very first video keeps getting the most views. I guess that shows you, I guess most people enjoyed the other part of North Carolina, what it used to look like in some parts. Thank you for that. But be safe out there, enjoy this weather, and peace out. Have a great day, guys.